Hey everybody, exciting news coming out of Washington, D.C. So, big beautiful bills passed Congress, going to the president's desk, and one of the things that it does is, so I've heard, is it takes the NFA stamp from $200 down to zero. I've heard this, I've seen it in a couple credible places, but it does not do away with the NFA as of this moment, but it does take that extra $200 away. So theoretically, the president will sign this bill tomorrow, and then we will see how it all shakes out. But just giving you an early heads up that suppressors may be a changing just a little bit. So if you live in the United States of freedom, happy Independence Day. If you live elsewhere in the world, thanks for watching, and enjoy going to work tomorrow. This has been Lieutenant Dan at 4U Brewing Supplies. If you need a suppressor, come see me. Have a great day.